What is up, YouTube? It's Bayou Pyro coming at you with the quick update here. I've got another addition to the stash. I'll give you a quick update, a quick look at that. We're getting closer to that time of year that all of us pyros love and enjoy and look forward to, the 4th of July. The fireworks season here in the great state of Louisiana is about to open within the next week or so. I see the tents starting to go up and the stands being pulled out and stocked, and the retail stores getting ready to open. You know, it's getting to be that time of year. We're all looking forward to it. Got another quick shipment in, or got a shipment in here. I'll give you a quick update on it. I'm going to show you what I got. I got a little bit of everything here. Got something for the whole family here to enjoy. Now, some of this will be used for 4th of July, and some of it will actually be saved for my New Year's show. This is an order that I got in here. I got a little bit of everything here. I got some zipper cakes, some 500 grams, some 200 grams, and a couple of things, some shells, some things for the kids. I'll go over it real quick here. I got a couple of zipper cakes. I got Rip Rock and Roll by Dominator, 220 shots. And Amazing Ballet by Winda, 220 shots. Now, I'm not a real big fan of zipper cakes as it is, but I think they're kind of overpriced for what you get. I think with a little ingenuity and a little thought, you can kind of make your own zipper cake for a whole lot less. These were pretty decently priced for what I got, so couldn't pass them up, and it adds a little variety to the show. I got some fan cakes and some 500 grams here and some 200 grams and stuff, so we'll just go over them real quick. I got Radiation by Cutting Edge, Jacked Up by Dominator, Backyard King, my Sky Bacon, Cerdo Loco, Crazy Pig, my Sky Bacon, One Bad Piggy, my Sky Bacon, Diabolical by Shogun. Those are the fan cakes. For the 500 gram cakes, I got Iron Gorilla by Dominator, Breaking Hard by Sky Bacon, Evil Clown by World Class. Got a couple of Color Waves by Dominator, America's Colors by Sky Bacon, Patriotism by Cutting Edge. We got a couple of 200 grammers, Freedom Fighter by Keystone Fireworks, and a couple of the Blue Stars with Report by Maddox. And I got a 12 pack of Ghost Killer shells by Winda. I'm not real familiar with them. I'll give them a try though, see what they look like. Give them a try, see what they look like. So that's my pickup right there, the newest edition. Like I said, we're getting closer to the 4th of July. Can't wait. We're going to be shooting these off, enjoying some time with the family and some food and some fun out by the pool, and taking a break from work, which will be fun. So that's the quickest update, or that's a quick update right there from my most recent stash addition. Quick look at that. All right. Everybody starts stocking up, getting ready. 4th of July will be here before you know it. So bye, you pyro. We'll catch you on the flip side.